In this section, we're going to talk about the site hazard assessment and safety planning. As you all know, it is an integral part of the IICRC and also OSHA, which the IICRC bases it off of, that before any work begins, that you should do a site safety analysis. This is basically making sure that you are going to cover the health and safety of not only your workers, but also protect the liability of the project in whole. So basically, before you start to document anything and get started on the project and begin any work, you need to document the conditions in which your guys will be working. That's everything from fallen debris and the condition of the structure itself, if it is compromised, holes in the roof, flooded up beyond the receptacles. So you're going to have electrical hazards until someone has inspected those outlets to make sure that they are safe to plug things into. These are all things that you should do. You've got to document the dangers and the work safety issues that you find, even from where you're parking and where you're going to set dumpsters and where your guys may have to walk to or carry debris to. Those are all things that you need to address. And then you need to also look at any kind of regulated issues, such as asbestos and lead-based paint that may be in the building based on its age. But most commercial structures, and a lot of states have laws here, but most commercial structures, I would not do any cutting or demo of walls or floors until I've had asbestos testing done to make sure that we're safe. And then finally, what you're going to do is you're going to discuss these types of issues with all your workers in a daily safety meeting. And in this meeting, you're going to address just the random mandatory issues that you're going to be dealing with, such as slip, trip, and falls, electrical hazards, things such as that. But you're also going to make sure that you're covering any things to mitigate those issues, such as team lifting, using GFCI, outlets for your plugs and things like that. Anything that could be used, proper PPE, anything that's going to be used to help mitigate the dangers of the job site itself.